When you come out to GardenPalooza today, don't forget to come and see William and me because there's really a lot of fun things there. We'll be giving away these great black gold tote bags and black gold gloves. And also you can enter to win an assortment of DRAM tools. There'll be so many there, and you know that DRAM is a sponsor of GardenPalooza.
And thanks to our friends at Timber Press, they're giving us several books that we can also, you can try to win. And several of them are from local authors as well, which even makes them really close to home. And then let's not forget that every half hour, once again, we will be giving away gift cards to some of your favorite nurseries in this area. And then we didn't want you to forget too, to go to GardenPalooza.com, print out the coupon page so you can even come out here, have fun, and save a little bit more money.
And don't forget, while you're here at GardenPalooza, you can enter to win that wonderful metal raised garden bed from Garden Gallery Ironworks.
So not only is GardenPalooza the place to come out to buy some wonderful, great plants, but you also have the chance of winning some great gifts as well.